In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify logo. Whether you're rebranding or just starting out, your logo is a significant part of your online presence. It represents your brand across various platforms. Today, I'll guide you through the process of updating your Shopify store's logo, ensuring your brand shines through consistently. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button and click on it. This action is your gateway into personalizing your store and truly making it your own. After you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your email or store domain. Type this information carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in. Following this, you'll notice a button that says continue with email. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring the security and integrity of your account access. Shopify might then shuffle you through a couple of security checks or login verifications depending on your setup. If you've linked your Shopify account with Google, you might be presented with the option to choose an account. Select the correct account to move forward. Now that you're logged in, let's get down to business. Direct your attention to the Shopify admin panel where you'll find an array of options. Look for the My Store option on your dashboard. This is your control room where all the magic happens. Once you're on the My Store page, scout for the online store section. This segment acts as the nerve center for all your website's aesthetics and functionalities. Within Online Store, you'll find the Customize option. Clicking on this will transport you to a realm where creativity meets commerce, allowing you to adapt and tweak your store's look to match your brand. Now here's where the focus sharpens on our goal for today. Within the customization area, you'll find the theme settings. This is a crucial click as it unveils a palette of options to fine-tune your store's appearance, including the logo setting, which is our target. Digging a bit deeper, you'll need to select the logo option. This action opens the door to updating or replacing your current logo. If you've prepared a new logo image, now's the time to shine. Select the option to upload or change the logo. Navigate through your files, select your new logo image, and watch as your storefront begins to transform. With your new logo selected, take a moment to preview it. Ensure it aligns well with your brand and adjust its sizing if necessary. Doing this right enhances your brand image and ensures a seamless look across all customer touchpoints. Finally, after ensuring your new logo is perfectly in place and ready to represent your brand, click on Done. This action saves your changes, officially updating your store's logo. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your store's logo on Shopify. It's more than just a visual update, it's a statement of your brand's evolution and its readiness to meet customer expectations head on. Remember, a logo is often the first impression your brand makes. Make it count. Remember to periodically revisit your logo and branding elements. Markets evolve, and so do design trends. Keeping your branding up to date is key to staying relevant and appealing to your target audience. And that's a wrap on changing your Shopify logo. Dive in, explore, and make the most of your Shopify experience. Your brand's journey is unique, and your storefront should mirror that uniqueness. Happy branding,